How to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. So to get started, go ahead and open Pipedrive and then click on campaigns from the left side of your screen. Now in here, click on this get started for free and then confirm and start trial. Now that will take you into your campaigns dashboard. So in here, head over into the automated campaigns tab. And then from the automated campaigns tab, go ahead and click on that plus campaign button at the left side of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and enter the title of this email campaign. Set the email sender information, such as the sender name and the sender email. And then go ahead and proceed with setting up the security so you can enable two-factor authentication for login. And then after that, you need to go ahead and set the subject, the email content, and the engagement. So use a pre-made email template or create one from scratch. Add personalization fields such as name, deal title, and include tracking links and set visibility preferences. Once your email is designed, click Mark as ready at the top right of your screen, then hit Continue to Automations. Choose Create Automation or Add Existing Automation, and use the Automation Builder to define the trigger and conditions. So choose recipients from sync contacts and define intervals between emails using delay steps. You can chain multiple emails to create a full drip sequence. Preview the automation, run a test with internal contacts, and activate the campaign once you're confident. And that is how you can basically set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.